MP39 is a refrigerant with the ASRI R401A designation designed to replace R12 in medium temperature systems for the commercial refrigeration sector. The MP39 is made up of the following three components in these proportions. R22 gas with 53% R401A gas with 13% R40124 gas with 34% the pressure of the MP39 according to the temperature. We can see it in the following table. What are the characteristics of the MP39? 1. Classification to 1 according to ASRI, non-flammable. 2. Power for global warming, GWP of 1182. 3. Since MP39 contains R22 in its composition, it is considered an HCFC refrigerant. This gives it the same time for its use as R22. 4. The MP39 has a higher capacity than the R12. 5. MP39 is recommended in evaporating temperatures greater than -10 degrees Fahrenheit. 6. MP39 is a non-azeotropic blend of refrigerants. 7. The MP39 has a temperature glide when it is evaporating of about 6.4 C. 8. The miscibility of MP39 with mineral oils can be poor, and it is necessary to change at least 50% of the mineral oil for the alkyl benzene oil. 9. The miscibility of MP39 in any temperature range with alkyl benzene oil is good. 10. The MP39 mode must be done, always in liquid phase. 11. Some equipment manufacturers recommend using alkyl benzene oil for optimum oil return. 12. A single compressor oil change for alkyl benzene oil typically removes between 50% and 80% of the mineral oil, which meets the recommendations of most compressor manufacturers. 13. After the oil change, the systems require between 10% and 25% less amount of refrigerant.